If you want to make your loved one something unique this Valentine's Day, you need to try this recipe. We welcome in Janine Washle from Cloverfield's Farm and Kitchen, and I love the idea of this cake. Good morning, Janine.
Good morning. I've got the cutest idea. It's called a peekaboo cake, and we're going to hide a strawberry heart in a chocolate cake. And I'm going to show you how to do it.
Okay.
It's so easy. So we're going to bake a strawberry cake in just a rimmed baking, sheet pan.
Okay.
And then after it's cooled and baked, we're going to cut out hearts like this.
All right, that's simple,
so super easy. And for no waste, after you make your heart cutouts, come back upside down in between right here, and then you've got very little waste, and you'll get lots of pretty little hearts to use for
Janine,
quality control.
Waste is okay.
And I do want to add this. Instead of using water, we're going to use milk, and instead of using oil, we're going to use melted butter. And that gives us a pound cake-like texture, and it has a really good flavor too, don't you think?
Yeah, and it holds the shape as well.
Exactly.
So that brings us to our pan, that brings us to our cake and our chocolate.
So we've got our chocolate fudge cake, and we're going to put about an inch of this in the bottom of the pan, and that's going to act like our glue.
That may be too much, Janine.
No, you're fine. You're fine. That's perfectly fine. So we'll shake it out to level it out, and then we're going to work with about 3 hearts at a time. And that way we can stack them up, and you want to go point side down. Now, if you were doing this in a pan, let's say like a bundt pan, where you would be flipping the cake out upside down, we would want to do this upside down. So you want to try 3 of these. I'm going to put 3 more, and then just even them up, and then you finish it out.
Okay, 3 more.
Yep, exactly.
Going in right there.
And then we'll use more batter as glue. We'll go down the sides and around the top just to hide our hearts.
Okay.
We'll keep everything nice and even. You see how we do that there?
Well, that's really easy.
It's super easy. And then we're going to bake it for 38 to 40 minutes. Perfect. And I'm going to switch it out with one that I've already done. And check that out.
Wow.
And then when you slice it,
how long do we bake that for, Janine?
38 to 40 minutes on the loaf pan and almost an hour on the bundt pan. You can also use a fancy pan like this. And let's just see what we've got here when we cut into our fancy. Do we see a heart?
We do.
We do. Peekaboo.
I love it. Great idea. All right, if you want information on Janine Washle from Cloverfield's Farm and Kitchen, and you want this recipe, just go to our website, wdrb.com. That's where you can find her information. Send her an email, and she'll send you the recipe. Happy Valentine's Day to you, Janine.
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
All right, let me try this. Candace?
You should.